Good morning, my dear students. May S. Veeramana sir, Maths. In previous class, to explain Euclid division lemma problems, example 1 and example 2 also discussed. Okay, in exercise 1.1, second problem, as it is example 1 and example 2, same model, using Euclid's division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. Okay, same method, example 1, example 2. So second problem is as it is. Okay, to solve it. Next, in exercise third problem, we know that so using Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer of the form 3p plus 1. So previous questions only are the odd even or even integer. So today explain this is square of any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer. To apply ADL, a equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal r less than b. So b equal to 3. So a equal to 3q plus r, 0 less than or equal r less than 3. So remainders are r equal to 0, 1, 2. Okay, if r equal to 0, then a equal to 3q plus 0, therefore a equal to 3q. If r equal to 1, then a equal to 3q plus 1. If r equal to 2, then a equal to 3q plus 2. So this equation, let it equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, we take first equation, a equal to 3q. So in this your problem, square of any positive. So square of any positive, therefore a equal to 3q. So square of both sides, a square equal 3q whole square. So a square equal 9q square. A square equal to 3 is common. 3 into 3q square. We write down this is 3 into 3q square. So a square equal to 3p. Where p equal to 3q square. P is any some integer. So we let us any some integer of p. Next we take second equation. A equal 3q plus 1. Squaring on both sides. SOPS means squaring on both sides. So therefore a square equal 3p plus 1 whole square. So a square equal to a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square equal 9q square plus 2 3s are 6 into 1, 6q plus 1. So a square equal 3 is common in these two values. So 3 of 3q square plus 2q plus 1. So a square equal to 3p plus 1. 3p plus 1. So where p equal to 3q square plus 2q. So p value is any some integer. So the square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p plus 1. So in this question, so 3p plus 1. Okay, understand? So this is very important question. Next example. Next same method, fourth question. So fourth question is Euclid using Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Let a be any positive integer. To apply EDL, so a equal to bq plus r where 0 less than or equal or less than b. So in this problem, b value is 9. 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So a equal to 9q plus r, where 0 less than or equal or less than 9. So remainders are equal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So if r equal to 0, then a equal to 9q. If r equal to 1, then a equal 9q plus 1. If r equal to 2, then a equal 9q plus 2. If r equal to 3, then a equal 9q plus 3. If r equal to 4, then a equal to 9q plus 4 and so on. Same method. If r equal to 8, then a equal to 9q plus 8. So remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all are substituted. So in this problem, cube of any from cube of, so the cube of any form integer is the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So if a equal to 9q, so cubing on both sides. So a cube equal 9q whole cube. So a cube equal 9 is 3 times in a product. So 9 into 9 into 9 into q cube. So 9 is common. 9 9s are 81 q cube. So a cube equal 9m. In bracket value where m equal to 81 q cube. So where 81 q cube is some integer. Okay, next second one. So a equal to 9q plus 1. So cubing on both sides. A cube equal to 9q plus 1 whole cube. So this is a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3a square b plus b cube. This is a plus b whole cube form. So a cube equal 9q whole cube plus 3 9q whole square plus 3 9 cube into 1 square plus 1 cube. Okay, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So a cube equal 9 into 81 q cube plus 3 into 9 2 times 9 into 9 q square plus 9 1 time 9 into 3 into q plus into 1 plus 1. So a square equal 9 is common of 3 terms. So 9 of 81 q cube plus 27 q square plus 3q plus 1. So in this bracket value is, we know that a cube equal to 9m plus 1, where m equal to 81 q cube plus 27 q square plus 3q. Okay, so this is second. Third we taken a equal to 9q plus 2. So cubing on both sides. A cube equal 9q plus 2 whole cube. This is also a plus b whole cube form. So a cube equal 9q whole cube plus 3 into 9q whole square into 2 plus 3 9 cube into 2 square plus 2 cube. So a cube equal 9 is 3 times 9 into 81 q cube plus 9 into 21 q square into 2 plus 9 into 3 into 9 is front, 3 into, so 2 square means 4 plus 2 cube means 8. So a cube equal 9 into 81 q cube plus 9 into 21 2s are 54 q square plus 3 4s are 12. So 9 into 12 q plus 8. So a cube equal a 9 of 81 q cube plus 54 q square plus 2 cube plus 8. So 9 is common in this 3 terms. So a cube equal 9m plus 8. So m equal 81 q cube plus 54 q square plus 2q. So where the m value is some integer. So cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m in this first equation. Second equation 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So this is lengthy problem. So this is easy. So using only a plus b whole cube form. Okay, next fifth question. In this exercise, fifth question. So that one and only one out of n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where n is any positive integer. So we take an n values. So in this problem, n plus 2, n plus 4 divisible by 3. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన ఈచ్ వాల్యూ అనేది ఓన్లీ 1 మాత్రమే డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది 3తో. సో ఇఫ్ n ఈక్వల్ టు 1, సో n ఈక్వల్ టు 1, n is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 4, n is 1, 1 plus 4 that equal to 5. So therefore, n plus 2, so this is 3, so 3 is divisible by n plus 2. So n plus 2 is divisible by 3. Next we take an n equal to 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 4, 6. So therefore n plus 4 is divisible by 3. If n equal to 3, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 4, 7. So n is divisible by 3. Okay, if n equal to 4, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 4, 8, n plus 2 is divisible by 3. So every time only one value is divisible by 3. So n or n plus 2 or n plus 4. So only one and only one out of n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Any positive integer. So this is last problem, 1.1 exercise, fifth one. Okay, thank you.